at DMOS. We're gonna get a shovel mount installed on a rear tire.
I'm Jim with DMOS. I'm here to assist one badass brunette with her Tacoma and get this install done quickly. So we'll start by putting on the the tire adapter. Just should fit right in there if we do it correctly. There we go. Fits right on there. A couple washers to hold it in place.
Now, does this fit on most, if not all, spare tire?
Correct. There's so many different hole diameters that we did that just so it can fit on several different types of rigs.
Awesome.
So worst case scenario, you drill another hole if it didn't quite fit. So, all right. Let's get this tire back up on the rig.
Yeah.
And this is going to be the hardest part, getting that lined up.
Go.
Go. All right.
Teamwork?
It does.
Pretty simple.
Yeah, so that just stays right in place.
You do obviously have to remove the center cap. I had the KMC center cap on there, but we had to pull it off and remove it.
Yeah, some rigs will have one, some will not. But it's usually just a decorative cap.
Yeah.
You always keep it. It'll be covered up obviously with the shovel. Okay, we've already pre-mounted the Delta mount to the spare tire adapter, and now we will install it onto the tire adapter.
Awesome.
So there is a little nut at the bottom.
So what that's for is for the pin goes in, and then you tighten that down to prevent rattling. Is that right?
That's correct.
Okay. So
right.
Kind of a neat feature.
There you go.
Because no one likes rattles in their rig.
Isn't that the truth?
Yeah. So they have different ones for adjustment. So depending on your tire or your wheel, whatever you've got going on in your situation, you can adjust accordingly. So for me, we realized it's gonna be the second to last hole is gonna work best. Right about there. Pin goes in. Possibly. There it goes. Pin in. Cool. And then we'll tighten up the bottom.
We'll just tighten up
Looks pretty slick. Not gonna lie. So this is the Delta Pro shovel. This thing's pretty badass. I'm pretty stoked to use it on the trail. But so for mounting it onto this guy, you've got a couple little lips here, and you want to match it up to right here. All right, goes in like that. Sits on its little shelf. It's pretty simple as just kind of popping it into place. Like that. It holds it there, and then you give the gate a close. Throw a lock in there so that no one steals your shovel, and away you go. Always at hand, but never in the way. Cool. All right, for added bonus, you got the little lock pin. This guy goes here, snaps on down, and
Okay.
it's rolling.
Okay.